everybody, it's Ashley with Posh Crochet Patterns. Today's tutorial is this star necklace. So I made two different ones. Made one with a size 4 weight yarn. This is Redheart, I believe it's pronounced Hygge. Yeah, Redheart Hygge yarn. Which to me it looks like it's spelled Higgy, but I'm pretty sure it's called Hygge. And it's a really nice yarn. This is in the color Meteor, which is a light pretty pink. This small one here is made with a very fine yarn, and this one is LionBrand Summers Night in the color Ocean Cove. But I figured for today I would make it in the size 4 weight yarn, so it'll be easier for you all to see. So all you need is the yarn that you choose. With this small star, I used a 1.5 millimeter crochet hook for this fine yarn. And for this size 4 weight yarn, I used a 5 millimeter crochet hook. I want to give you all a better look at it. How cute is that? Thought that would be very cute for spring and summer. So let's get started. To begin, we will make a magic ring. We will chain 1. We will make 10 single crochets in the magic ring. So I have 10 single crochets in the magic ring. We will slip stitch join right here in that first single crochet. We will chain 3. We will make 2 double crochets in the same chain. So we'll go right down here, go into that same chain, and make 2 double crochets. And you can do this process with any size yarn. In the next chain, we will make 1 single crochet. In the next chain, we will make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, and in that same chain we will make 2 double crochets. In the next chain, we will make 1 single crochet. In the next chain, we will make 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochets. In the next chain, we will make 1 single crochet, in the next chain, we will make 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochets, all in that same chain. In this next chain, we will make 1 single crochet. In the next chain, we will make 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochets. In that next chain, we will make 1 single crochet. We will slip stitch join in the first chain of this row. For the necklace, we will chain 100 chains for an adult size, which is what you see right here. This is the adult size. And for a child size, you will chain 78. So for this one, I will chain 78 for a child size. If you'd like to make a bracelet, you can always chain so many and wrap it around your wrist, and then also do it that way as well. So go ahead and chain your chains, and I will meet you back then. After you chain your chains, make sure that you straighten out your chain. And I want you to slip stitch into that same exact chain. So you insert your hook like that. We're going to grab it and pull it through and turn it, and then complete that slip stitch in that same chain. So we have that complete. Let's clip our yarn. We're going to pull that yarn tail through that loop on our hook to bind off. Pull and tighten that. So we have our nice chain for our necklace. Unless you want to leave this open, if you want it closed, then we will pull that magic ring. Oops. And tighten that down. And look at that. Perfect star. So we will just turn this around on the back. Now all we have to do is weave in our yarn ends. I like to take a smaller hook to do this. I'm going to bring this top one down towards the bottom there. Tighten that magic ring. Let's see. And pull that through this loop right here. That stitch right there. Make sure that's good and tight. And now I'm going to tie these two together. That way I don't have to take a sewing needle and thread and add stitches to it. I can just use these yarn tails and tie it together. There we go. And then we just clip that, and then we have a nice cute little easy necklace. And you can do this same exact process with bulkier yarn or with smaller yarn, whichever you prefer. Look at that. Perfect star necklace. I hope you all like this tutorial. I had a lot of fun making this with you all. Also, if you all want to check out some other jewelry, I had made this flower ring, which also matches, this yarn right here, this Summers Cove. Like, look how pretty that is. I have some really nice crochet necklaces and bracelets and rings and all kinds of cute little projects that you can make for yourself or for your kids or for your grandkids or for a goddaughter or a niece. So yeah. So thank you all, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.